and we expect icaleni lobhala ifilms. Yeah, so okay, iyapha ke ngilento ne bendiyomshutela ifilm yakhe undiphathele bendiphantsi free one bhatala but ke ibi rate wanceda. You know yala rate yaba okay ungalala apha ndashiya umfazi insuku ezingeke ezininji ndahamba ndawo eGeorge ndawushuta khona now kuyabuyisa ngona editela ifilm yami ngaphandle kwemali because babe ndimncedile ndiye nayo icrew yonke ne-lights nendoni ibhaki yonke into ndawumenzela nenye out yami kuthiwa Andile notati bi-director phayana. So now uya-edita ngona uthi ucela uba involve kula film uzawudirector kunye nami zabe ndidirector lo film le. So into enzabe ndiyenza leyo ngoku undenzela free khona mna ndimncedile kuyancedwana.
I hope zikhona auditions. Yeah, the actor musta. The actor one night stand is sitting on 27,000 views on YouTube. That's my first video to hit those kind of numbers. And the actor when iboshikona la down funulile ngichelelwa iba ayindimdedwa sibabini. Yo, akukho funulile kula. Hey, it's your boy Coffee, man. I'm out here in Cape Town. Kukuleta Barcelona, my church, Menglau in the pool. South Africa! Guys, it's yet another episode of The Black Couch, and I'm Tlanje. We are here for iiChomi Zethu, a special edition of this podcast. Pheli nyanga January bafethu sigena ku February nyanga yethando. And I see there's some love in the air. There's some love in the air. And I ask Kasme already like red and white. Sanga sisheke thina ku theme
yeah ijonga.
Otherwise guys nikran.
Hey, right. I'm coping. I just kunyaka omtsha otherwise I'm good.
No, the right guys, the right are going like Wandile Lona aka Trigger. Wandile Kwaton.
Yeah, I would like to introduce him myself, guys. I like yo. The reason why we are here today, guys, and we bring you quality shows, it's because of Tawara. And Tawara, like as I've said, I think iiChomi Zethu, the last iiChomi Zethu that we had, I said it. Banguyo was offering the sound system. You understand? To make sure that we have quality sound and we bring you like the best, because I remember the day in the Siago office scene, like I had no clue about this idea by Zobanjani.
And office,
but so I had Fuji.
Yes, man.
And I remember presenting the whole idea to you, and then you said to me, "Ba, are you gonna use the same cameras for all angles when you're doing the production?" And I said not, and you were like, "Yo, this was so all because the picture profiles are different." You understand? And I didn't understand that at first because I was not exposed to filming. You understand? And then when I got to go on the field for the first time, I actually saw what you told me. Because we had 3 different cameras, from a Canon to a Fuji. Yo, I sasebenza nje cameras is different, and actually that day basically I was we lost the sound, so that episode didn't come out, but it's part of our intro, and we're like appreciating that science and episode because it's a funda pana. Like for people who don't know you from my name, like Utawara, Ngoapi, Upumapi.
Ndingwandile tonqa njengoba sendishilo wakwaTrigger okanda sonke lo hlobo wathi nguwara hlala kwalanga nawuthi amatyutyumbini phayana kule ndawo nje ngalifana kuyo nawe ndi-filmmaker ndenza ne-sound, so into endadicide uyenza uba ngabana ndingenzi ii-camera zodwa because sometimes uyafumaniseka uba ngabana kukho umsebenzi we-sound then awuqualify ngapho, so I decided to learn zoyi-2 entwezi ngoba ndandisebenzela u-CNBC Africa, enye channel enkulu apha eAfrika kwa-TV. So istaff sasimbalwa, so almost wenza yonke into emsebenzini ubamba so ndifunde kakhulu ngelo xeshelo andaribane kunimpendulo engcono na.
Nikil. And another thing, the reason why I brought you on it's because I've been telling people like the story that you told me. I understand how you came about being the person you are today. I understand, and I always felt like you can tell it best when, and I feel like the story circle can change a lot of other people's perspective. Abantwana bahleli out there, and then they're watching this thing, and then after hearing your story, I'm sure there will be some kind of a light or like motivation for them to get up and do something. Like tell me like the whole story in like high school.
Okay, maybe I should start there. CS school in C1, by the way. Yeah. Isilimela. Are we? So a coffee, I think must call ngol hlobo. Ngizawuthanda ba deep ngizasixhosa bani ufuna icakisa ngale ndlela ndifila ngayo. So mandithi inhlupheko iyendenze kule ndawo ndikuyo. Ngoba ukufunda kwami ukufota ndifundiswe indlala. Benilamba ndikhule nisokola ekhaya kakhulu. And then going to school in the design bamana make ngiqalisa ufota man. Ya into nje bani qomanza kwenza nje icash anyencane nje ukubona ngelo xeshela imali anethile yabona endlini. And going to school in awusitaba befundiswa ndim, they can tell you that going to school in the end aqama ngithatha pictures man and fort. Sorry. Fort ndamane ibizwe ngona ngaphandle kwesikolo nginaniba izofota apha kwathini omisi bami enisupport gogo man umuntu ka ne birthday nendoni arizofota and fort sakekho nhle nezo pictures kanti sijonga ngoku zisekhona sagcina ngizazo dibane enhloni kunto kuthiwa ishot kunye ne picture when you shooting so ndisibona ngoku zonto zibamba yer dansomso bad but abantu besikolo banento yozithanda izinto ngenxa bakayaba technically wrong manje kuba ifota ngikuthe ngathi siba yi2 epicture ni1 yabo into njalo so ndafota ke bram ndiqhube esikoleni bukhumula khle ndanikawasha esikoleni mhlawumbe moto omisi and then ya kundiqale kanjalo ngothi ke unana ubombe lento yanikhulisa lena and ndibana nabantu that's why ngakholwa kulana umuntu athi ndi self taught because I don't believe mama as umuntu ungazititsha ngokwakho ungazinto so ukhona umuntu okutitshileyo somewhere uyakubonisa banga this how you do it denze imisebenzi emini nje through omisi bezikolo na spreader ke ngonana nfota and then ngo 2019 manje uxela istory esincinci phamba siye kude nithi banithela kakhulu so manje uxela istory esincinci ndiba ngaba ndilanda ke ulanduka ndinangaphi ngobe iminyakeni na but awunokhona uba mana ndipase ugrade 12 ngo-2 and ngo 2019 grade 12 kodwa kudala ndiyenza lento
recently
yes
I thought you already had to grade 12 for alcohol.
No fuck bro no sorry no
don't worry con 18
so ke wena kanizama ukuthi mhlekazi mose esikolweni mandena drop months for 2 years esikolweni omnyinyaka ndohlele eTrongweni you understand omnyinyaka kulento benithetha enhlupheko uphela uzama ubona option engathi ingcono yilina kanti ile akusakwenye indawo then u realize ba mama no ayikho lula le ndlela lena man buyele ndahamba nawucela isikolo kwakhona back because beningabanye be top runners ngilala nesoccer esikolweni so bendigood iprincipal yaphana ndibhalwe shit ndibhalwe ngu-school fees uprincipal esikolweni because benginamntu ondibhatala and then kulapho ndibuye khona amcenga ba prince zange ndenza into wrong kwesisikolo esi ndiyazi ba ndibhutile bomini ndenze indlela ethile kodwa ngicela uphindele esikolweni wathi curriculum itshintshile ubufunda into ethile pure maths ngoku into kuthiwa ziliteracy what that ma'am bayizawufunda encwadini cela unike ithuba ngizawupasa bekuthiwa kanibizwa ukuthiwa la Brian indevu ezinde because benendevu zingaka already esikoleni understand yabantu hayi bule Grotman ndawuqala kwa8 ndaphinda ndathi chu uyikhatha ke sibekufutshana story nampasa ku grade 12 yeah
wow and then how did you go after from high school where did you go like straight to UCT
no ndiye nahamba nawosebenza kwalanto kwa CNBC Africa okay so into enzika ngo2010 kukho abafana iiChomi yami nangoku enzokuxela nje isistory phambi siqhubezele ngalo muntu lo because apho ndikho kule ndawo nkuna ngoku kungenxa Chris Craig babe kwenza story ngo2010 ubuyakhumbula iWorld Cup fair kwa Brian ngo-2010 bese ndishuthi World Cup already ndisesikolweni ndiphuma kuso ngelo xesha ngenxa uba ndadibana nabo so wan-introducer ke wona kwabanye abantu iinumber zakho i-investment yakho iinumber ezi zefowuni bakhona abantu ofuna ukwazi bafowunela xa usengxakini ngabantu abanjalo ndathathwa ngaloo mini leyo nguChris nam ndanimncinci babuza uba wenza ntoni ndithi ndiyafota ndine-papa shop mhlawumbi uyaloo nto ndine-papa shop ndi-own ismokolo at the same time ndisesikolweni zonke nto ndisesesikolweni ndi-own ismokolo ndine-papa shop ndiyazama so ke ndama phambi kwecamera njengohlobo bebuza uba wenza ntoni ndabachazela baba nomdla kwisitori sam lo awuthi ndisebenzise nayo ke yona kwabhukhanani group ile company enza ubrand power bebona SABC brand power ebusupayibera iwebsite yaphayana yayindim into othatha ii-pictures zayo ndisesikolweni ngoko so from yena ke nda-introduce ngwe ndadibana nonawal ndathini ndawuphelani kwa-CNBC Africa Channel 410 the biggest in Africa.
Ndiyayibona wow like already umsebenzi wakho like it's so amazing man like I feel like you've done like into abanye abantwana barhalela uzenza you understand and they don't even have any information on how to go about and do them but when I like out of nothing you made something you understand and I feel like the inspiration wabantu abafana nathi I don't know when did la moya or give a back come into your life because I know you for that you always love giving back to people like when were you like okay like let me just do something for other people now.
No, I think when I ngiqale kuba beningumntu ophiwa mina self so understand isandla sinika omnye umuntu because bekunikwa kum you understand uya kwami trying to metric ball or something sathenga utishara bami impahla zami zonxiba yonke into ihlangu ndandiqala uncinga ntoni nebrand Versace or something I mean okay yenye le ndinxiba ibrand ngoba ndandiqala uba ufa like ilaphi quality uveka unxibile ishirt lapha kuba yes as brand ziva kakuhle mina kubona ndiyaba ivelaphi na because equality normally sithenga kwa shop sithile okanye ukrapa samo ndayithenga ngoMiss bam njeba nsi nasesikolweni benibhadla nguprincipal ibe nguMiss noquiz weart nenze iart ndikuthi yabona good khona ndenze iart okonke benifunda benibhatalwa ngabo they were paying for me into material art it's so super expensive bro you understand uthenga ipaint uthenga lead ayongo le uyazi normal it's a special one and a design for that purpose understand so ukunikeza ndikwaziwe ngokunikwa ngabantu because people banika kakhulu izinto even in Eastern Cape even ngobe nokuxela kuba I'm promoting this box for free there is no money because I feel like okay baby you are doing good come let me help you I'm not gonna pay for anything but I'm gonna offer my skills ukwenza sure bangabana uyafikela le ndawo ufuna ufikelela kuyo. She's been on newspapers, TV, she's getting sponsors, she's getting money. And those money. She's getting money, but I'm not getting anything. But for Yena, come, Yando Nelisa, because someone else is getting something out of his skills. I'm saying.
I must say, like, and ndiyawuthanda isandla salamama umama Nkunzi. Yo, I like yo.
Who's Mama Nkunzi?
Gumiss lo Isilimela.
No, umama wase.
Oh.
Ngento zonke
Okay. Okay.
Unjalo kwayena like she's so amazing and zange wanifundisa but like ndiyamazi
abantu you know I think kodwa kunzima ba itishara sorban chungolo. Kunzima ba tishara kazi. La mama ndiyazi ba imali nespend leyo kum. If ungathetha like literally ngalile because andiyazi ba indona andiyazi babona ntoni kum bonke no Miss Pepet like almost bonke Miss Bapha andiyazi babona ntoni kodwa babe ndinjini ngohlobo sizaphinda nombuzo ba ndikwazi lapho na ukunika abantu ndinika abantu because ndiphiwa kakhulu ngabantu Brian benikhulele kwenye icawe kwala ngicela nje nongazi not ba nicawe nginxabe manje uthatha ukutya kula cawe beniphiwa kutheni ngazukwazi ukupheka uphando anangxaki even ngoku if ungafuna 1000 nango ngakunika I don't care uyibusile na because mna ndikhuliswe ngolahlobo ngabantu sisuke ezicaweni benisebenza kwa Shoprite ndisesikolweni qho after school ndibuye negrocery bakutyiwe endlini yebo bra la benisebenza khona so riba ngoku usiswa phalwa imanager andikamboni ngoninga kodwa ndisafuna umbulela bekuthiwa mandithatha amaqamba aqaphukileyo yabona into ezithile eqaphukileyo ndiye nazo endlini but yazi boyesenza no wathi sawuthi iwile nalena mntanam bhake shapho ukutya uhambe nakho. That's how I know poverty. Understand? That's why ngikwazi unceda umuntu. If ngingathetha even indlela engincede ngayo I have to make it like lokho. Asuthetha lo nto.
Yeah. Yo, no, I get it. And now I've been in that phase whereby ndincedwa like left, right, and center. And sometimes I always ask the question, but like, abantu babona ndoni kum. But at the end of the day, nam ndibona ba I don't disappoint them. Yeah, understand? I make something out of lando banike yona, understand, and grow, and also help other people to like also learn from what I'm doing. Yeah, understand? And I appreciate that a lot. Yeah, at least go with like. At least to see breakile ice go. Let's get straight to December, guys. Like Vincent, I don't know December. Like, how is it December? Let's start to you.
Yeah, no.
What do you mean?
You know when a coffee, xa ungumuntu osebenza njengami, bo ndiyindoda enosapho, understand, umuntu responsible in that way. So ngenxa ye COVID-19, I'm a freelancer. I work permanent for UCT, but for now ban benemali, I must do more work. Understand? Freelance, soccer, cricket, and you understand? Kwenza benemali. So akabikho mnandi uthi ngabona ikhaya ngoqo befama nenze into ethile but ke bakhona abantu batibonele noba ndenze into na mani ngawari but ndiyazazi ba man ndiqhela ukwenza ntoni na, understand? So yolonto bembi but bemnandi in general because uhleli nefamily, you know, kumnandi yonke usapho lukhona, senza imisebenzi ngamaXhosa, you know, siyabelieve kubantu abalele abaphansi xa bekhalayo bevela bethetha ingaseniyenze lonto le bekumnandi in that way because I feel like ikhonto yenzekile, understand? Yeah, in that way, but because of njengomuntu osebenza like okoko kum weekend angihlala endlini must make money, understand? Ngoka uhleli, understand? No bhatalela umama uzawuya esikolweni uthi uyofunda unokuthina, understand? Then imali ayikho kakhulu ka ungunyana wokuqala amaXhosa noba lo yona ndisibetha akho ka ungunyana wokuqala almost bonke abantu bazemva kwakho baloxanduva lakho anyway ngoku banento abazenzayo basebenza but bekunzima ngalo hlobo if abenza into that means ibamna ndenza into funeka bekhona endinyengezayo kubo, understand?
Yeah, and Lisa, sigqibele ngoNovember fondini abantu bagqibele ngoNovember
ndakaphinda thethe
uthi gqise ichebile guys, yes surprise. Hey how Lisa 2022 bawo
uma new year new tours nyayiza masaza new revelations nentontoni man my December December wambe quiet. Very quiet, you know, almost December abantu ba vibe going all out nje. Now I was indoors thinking by ndizawuthini ngo2022 because uJanuary ulapha yabo. So our December was spending it indoors and thinking and making plans in my head into bana xa qala nonyaka umtsha lisozoyenza njani imali, how you gonna hustle, how you understand. So my December was literally planning my life. And in terms of having fun, I don't even remember. I think I had fun once with my cousins, and then that was it. Ngobe kuyaphela nje. And ngomna ndisixele ngoDecember that andifunila energy man kakhulu. Ndifuna njengoba abantu bephandle nje, ndifuna indoors and then think about my things and give ixesha lam because once uqala uJanuary you don't even have time for yourself ukubone ukuhlala ucinga ingxaki zakho nento zakho. Okay, this is my time. Otherwise be right. I'm glad December mama uhambe olahlobo because at least now I have some answers and I know ezinye plans basizawuhamba kanje soon. So I don't have an answer to everything, but yeah man.
No,
I hope nivakele.
Now vagele.
Endenjani wakho futhi
owam simple abantu bayazi nabo abudini
somewhere.
No, that's January. No, December I was like busy like editing. I was just busy editing. I was at home. I was shooting Black Couch every week. And Yeah, oko benilapha mna Barcelona matyutyumbeni. The only time when I was excited nguJanuary, ndamthanda January ke mna guys. Cause amanga mlafikile. My German friends are in bamkile. Bye Phil. Bye Louis Hill. I'm sure you guys like safe by now. Bambe izolo. No, yeah, ndake ndarecorda naye ingoma yeah 2018. Yeah, bebuyile. Yeah, feel. I've been spending some time with him while he's here in the country. It's been amazing. It took me to amazing places, man. January Wam has been amazing. I've met a lot of cool guys.
You make connections.
Yeah, Luxembourg. You know Luxembourg next to Germany. I made a lot of friends. I met Germans up Big Nini. Was it Friday? No, Saturday. I met Germans and we're now friends. Yeah, they want to come and visit Kasumehem TV studios very soon. So we're making a lot of friends and we're also trying to make business friends, not just friends. Nice networks, you understand? Because the platform is growing and it's growing bigger and we're looking for sponsors, man. We're looking for funding. Look like Chogi, tripod here. He as well, tripod.
And I'm sure you guys can see that it's one angle. I mean, we need 3 angles.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah, so we were working hard, man, to grow a platform and like I feel like it's about time Glonyaka like that we raise the bar higher or at least like we know the structure shows it to bazinjani. We just need to be consistent and then to grow, you understand? So I wanna ask you, Anatayam, is there anything like January that you saw maybe on social media and just in general in your life or something that triggered you like a Zungu trigger? Something that triggered your mind about my thing or like you can be a conversation.
Actually benthetha nomuntu izolo ngalondo loba I think lixesha lethu like le nto yenza I respect it man, like serious. Uyazenzela no funding uyazenzela ngokwakho ingasiqalise nokwenza phamba silindele into makufika abantu irate abona ba okay ukhofuna abantu abayi 200 or whatever 300 maybe ngafaka itika okanye igama lami maybe ngenza ukuthi understand zaphina ndiye back to ilandoka dine company kuthiwa what media that I'm running, understand video darara ndiarendisa nje bentshuku but I think lixesha basincitsanini ngo yanifumana vit because you may not have ilandoka even a camera but nayo benoqeba I've got 6 cameras. I've got 4 as near 4. That's 10 cameras. But now with the angle one, what do I say?
Guys, it's recorded live.
You understand? The tinam. I may not give you money, but I will give you technical expertise. Bang about Wednesday, you understand? So yeah, I'm just fucking like anyway, but yeah. No, somewhere. So now, what do we do? See a year because of the angry one. Yeah. Understand? I think sitting with son. Yeah. Because the one, the so-called sevens are a contracting as a carpenter. Understand and bethelela camera yami elapha kule ndawo emqali nokoko ngonibethela yeah ilapha nanifota abantu benofoto ezinhle but into I notice ayiwona the best engineer kumXhosa kumkhulu wami kubrother wami uno2 andithethi ngo2 as if bande dispute ebingathi uba ufunda kwathi ningathi awazi into ndithi kwe uno2 standard 2 what's that grade 4 standard 2 whatever ulando grade 2 ndo standard 2 that's it as yeah did you go standard
or standard 2
like 1 and 2 no uno 2 eschooling kodwa landuka students or engineers that are coming from UCT they have to stop and listen to him when he speaks
go grade 4 work son
and direct them why create building talk of fake cape why create waphethe spray sibomvu ezinhloni engineers top engineers echithe city so now into intended to kuwena sizi-leaders siyakwazi enza into ezi makhe senzeleni ukuba benayo umntakwethu let's start a construction company because you the best man emsebenzini let me offer mna u-10 wam or 1 wam lo naye ndikwenzela ii-plans ndibhale yonke into phansi and go into the job at some point kukho ii-companies bezithi azuwunika umsebenzi ikhampani yakhe ifange yangolita laa msebenzi ithini loo nto kuwo laa nto ndingahambe yonqonqozela masiqaliseni usebenzani sonke nantso ke into ebendiyithetha ke le nto kuyithetha uba if singakwazi usebenzisana sodwa we can do it bro it's fine hleli ematyotyombeni akho mntu ndazi uba ndenza ntona ngaphandle kwase-UCT but andokuxelela but it's right masisebenzisaneni.
That's ayikho enye indlela bhuti wami
Xolo ngokuphazamisa Lisa sicingelwe kumbane guys so technically le mic phambi kwami icimile and it's sad we might not get even the sound ilapha kule mic it's horrible some of the things that we encounter when we're doing ezinto abantu understand that we're going through a lot you understand but we make means to make sure that we get the content but le mic isasebenza so sebenzisana ngayo until we finish the episode because asinokwazi uqalela it's been a long episode otherwise I wanna like hear from you guys bazithini plans zenu like lo nyaka what are some of the things that you wanna like accomplish
mna I have a lot of plans. Okay, firstly with my music mangiqale ngomculo wami with my music phofu ngoku andiyi-process yobana ndi-collect instruments. They're very expensive and luckily enough kule nto yosebenzisana kukho abantu bane-instruments ezihleli nje so they heard the story some and they said okay siza kuncedisa let's see uba udinga ntoni and see if we can get enye into ishota ngayo and then now I'm doing a collection of instruments very soon I don't know when I'll start a band understand koliqale Gugu Lethu with the instrument because ayazi wala instrument so I want to introduce the instrument called the steel pen apha Gugu Lethu because sinqabile apha Gugu Lethu but kalanga ke si popular apho uhlala khona is steel pen and then also there's my cooking business yabo dala ke last time nensithi ndizoyiqala but nayo it's part of my plans. And then afuna share yonke into man guys ingaske nivele nibone i-results yewe ingaske nivele nibone otherwise sanihalisela nje kancane ezo zinto
yeah yiwo iplans zami kumuntu ngapha kwe-camera uzawuziva ezinye mhlawumbi kanti zithethe already no cough man didn't decide kuyenza because ndikule film business ndine-company what media understand so I think ixesheni ingatsho ipartner yam my business partner kasiphathane kakuhle man kubone not that kangandiphathe kakubi but kind imphathe kakuhle in terms of land so I want to focus on that man you understand like build that business because in a potential I mean benifumene indlela ongena eparliament yokwenza enye job ethile but andothetha ngayo so that if beku-ready yonke into I'm sure ngeningeni lo msebenzi yeah and ndingena ku-delivery business because it's not only about film ndiqubothenga laa nto ka i-motorbike iscooter not because of drive iscooter ndarendisa ngazo so iplan uba uthi kuphela lo nyaka zibe ziyi-6 ezaa scooters so ndicalculatile ke natira ngila yo 100 okay that i-right le business land so ndingena phayana because I realize okoko emopri kho abantu baqhuba iscooter bendicefana bayazi-owner only to find out that they're renting them out so siye saxabana ngepha endlini kodwa ndamkaya ndawuthenga iscooter
okay
yeah and ndizawuthenga esinye very soon so iplan zam lo nyaka makathi ephela lo nyaka zibe ziyi-6 ezazikhuthezi.
Wow, that's really amazing, guys. Now I guess again out here. Before we close down the episode, I want to give you the opportunity to tell us more about the boxer.
Yeah, so what happened is one of us nsuku ndandihamba around because I'm always carrying equipment, sound equipment, or back as cool with microphones and what. So then she saw me, she was like, "Buddy, can you do me?" So uti, I want to then leave you. So I'm like, "Uzaitini video," and then yapi. So then saqalisa apho nanda funda oh lo mntu lona there are 2 professional boxers ezilapha Western Cape and kwalanga beningandibanga mana iclub eyi-1 le ayikho nye boxing akuyo. So then I think then umsindo because I ended up promoting yena ku-newspaper uyabizwa ko-KFM like around uyathetha ngonana and uyayifumana into ayifumanayo whatever into zonxiba ihlangu le nto ayifunayo but i-support it's so super amazing indlela abantu abanceda ngayo and ndenze into eyi-one like I don't want to be involved into into edibene nemali ne-payment. Umuntu must contact you direct, not mna ndiyo middleman. I don't want anything. So koke shopisha kusisi ngonana uyashopisha ngonana uyalwa nge-19 kaFebruary uzabe mhle ndiyaxela tata yonke into yabe intsha ihlangu sabe sisitsha i-track sabe intsha sakwenza i-deal ke ndifuna ndipromote nami i-company yami. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for imali. Ndifuna nje abhala igama le-company yami emqolo kayona.
19 kula weekend e-Valentine's ne?
Yebo yes. Sabe siphano baby.
Cabanga.
Abo guys singayipa ikasime.
And ngumama kumuntu ongisisi.
Yeah, i-box ke siye ku-boxing.
Nje into different because we always have into similar. Yeah, fashion, music. It would be interesting actually, you know, to tap into enye nje into endawo different. Hayi masini.
Yeah.
Masini, why not?
So we'll be expecting email and details zonke so that we look into it and then siyaz invite again yabo sinathi sasibophelela kwelethu icala masizibophelele nathi. Yeah man, looking forward to it guys. Ngubani igama lakhe?
Emihle Ntunja the candle ikhandlela sisibane mntana.
Yeah khona ndlela khanyisi noba uzongena ngayo stage.
Sayidiscussa lonto leyo ngoku because ngifuna ingoma ndifuna igama lakhe licace ndifuna abe ne-logo xa ingenayo elakhandlela alight kumuntu ongisisa kalibethi inqindi yalisusa mntana. Nama nawo maphambi kwakhe. Olo.
Hey. Ndiyoyika. But I'm looking forward to it, man. It's really interesting, and especially the climate. Boxing. Boxing is getting like another platform. Amazing with also about Kespa Nyovest trying to get celebrity boxing going on. I like that. I love the way South Africa is, man. Glonyaka. I feel like everything is just opening up. People are helping each other. I was watching date ka Peltus, Mr. Smag. Mr. Smag is just a Twitter guy, but shooty short yakhe. Upel wavuma live on Twitter and then they went on a date. So they captured the whole date with the camera crew. So it was nice to see it, man. Unusual, I understand, but people now are getting back to being inhumane, you understand? Babeng abantu again, not like bonus height around as phones to you understand and act as if we are superior or kanye we are gods. But ngoku abantu they getting grounded and I like that a lot, yabo. So I feel like there's plenty of amazing things ezokwenzeka kulonyaka. Like Lisa, your last words. Siya ku February, Komso roasting session.
Oh, I don't have words, ne? I don't have anything to say, but guys, Mehemas, check out. Komso coffee will drop a pilot roasting sessions. Check out that thing, people. Guys, requestani, send those emails. That thing is fire, brah. I was like, then amazed. We've been talking about this and planning this whole thing, but kubone go production, and I'm like, wow, this is out of this world, guys. Please subscribe, man. You're missing out on a lot if I subscribe. Because subscribe and check out our stuff. That's all I have to say.
We elokugqibela kumigama ndine film ezawuqalisa ushuta very soon, so into yabe ndisebenza kuyo ke leyo ilifa. Check out khonda kwenzeka madoda, khonda ndicreate, khonda ndiphekayo, so ndizaba busy lo film ngoku ndibhizinisi into esecaleni. But I think it's important because ibhalwe enye out esekhayilisha nendayithumela kum to edit and what ndanika enye out yami expect when it comes to writing, because and and we expect icaleni lobhala ifilms. Yeah, so okay iyapha ke ngilento ne bendiyomshutela ifilm yakhe undiphathele bendiphanda athi free one bhatala but ke ibi rate yonceda you know yala rate yaba okay ungalala apha ndashiya umfazi insuku ezingeke ezininji ndahamba ndawo yeGeorge ndawushuta khona now kuyabuyisa ngonanoni editela ifilm yami ngaphandle kwemali because babe ndimncedile ndiye nayo icrew yonke ne-lights nendoni ibhaki yonke into ndawumenzela nenye outime ekuthiwa Andile notati bi-director phayana. So now uya-edita ngonani enguthi ucela uba involve kula film uzawudirector kunye nami zabe ndidirector lo film le. So into enzabe ndiyenza leyo ngoku undenzela free khona nami ndimncedile kuyancedwana.
I hope it's gone auditions. Yeah, the actor musta. The actor one night stand is sitting on 27,000 views on YouTube. That's my first video to hit those kind of numbers. And the actor when ibosh korlanda unfunulile ngonixelelwa ba ayindimdedwa sibabini. Yo, akho unfunulile akla. Amangamla ko right amangamla guys. Be careful of amangamla. Yay. Otherwise, please, guys, man, make sure you support each other, support black businesses. When we say support black businesses, we make sure that black business yamba quality. Please, guys, make sure yamba quality because we're not about like supporting this is not what I paid for. You understand? Make sure there's good quality, there's hygiene, clean. And I'm sure people love izinto ezenzo ngumntu abamaziyo that they can reckon with. You understand? So I feel like
no. Inlako nikhumuze into. Apha kusasa bendithetha nje ngoku nefro. Ikhona into bendinximba ndajoma into endinximile. Like I think usukela ngoku ndigqibisile uthenga impahla shop ndizazithungela.
Yeah, Vage. Wow. Nyani da like actually yesterday I had a meeting. Being a meeting bene ne designer. She's also a paramedic. Ebeke waza ku Black Couch. I think she's the third episode. Lebo hang mushoke. And I'm shout and ten lebu nfuna impahla zami please. Ulebu funeka nxibise and phinde nxibe into eyi-1 ku Black Couch. Ayenzeki lonto guys. And if you're a local designer, make sure you contact us. I'm in talks with another guy even now. He wants to dress iiChomi Mayhem. So let's do this, guys. Let's collaborate and just let's make South Africa great again, man. It has been great like since 2010. Sabanezi into ezintsha in the country, and let's maintain them. Let's shine. Let's shine in, guys. Otherwise, that was it from the first episode, guys. Thank you so much, Rodmaniam, for coming through. Let's hope when I'm editing, you're going to lose out because of the sound. Otherwise, man, you know what it is. For sure, definitely. Unyaka usemde. Lisa, thank you so much again, man. You're working very hard. I love umsebenzi wakho and you have a lot of fans out there. Ngusiri wala hapa kalogo. Usiri wethu. Shout out to Mihle behind the scenes. Shout out to Mihle. And shout out to Mamutonga. Shout out to her. Yeah, man. We out, man. Thank you to our subscribers and thank you everyone who's been watching. Welcome to every Mayhemmer who's away and abroad. We got so many new Mayhemmers from Europe. So yeah, we international mafethu man. Hey, it's your boy Cough, man. I'm out here in Cape Town. Ekuguleta Barcelona machicho men in Pole, South Africa.